50 calorie of heat should be supplied to take the system from state A to the state B through the path ACB as shown in figure. Find the quantity of heat to be supplied it to take it from A to B. Again, the internal energy is always the state function, so the change in internal energy is constant irrespective of the path followed. So Q minus work done, so the path ACB will be equal to the Q minus work done through the path ADB. Alright, now first of all I'll calculate the work done during the path ACB. That will be equal to work done during the path AC plus work done during the path AB. Now work done during the path AC is given by P delta V, but the work done during the path AB is 0 because delta V is 0. So pressure is 50 kilopascals into change in volume, that is 400 minus 200 into 10 to the power minus 6 to convert it into meter cube. So this work done during the path ACB comes out to be 10 joules. Secondly, work done during the path ADB. This is the work done during the path AD plus work done during DB. Again, work done during AD is 0 because delta V is 0. Volume is not changing and it is here P delta V. So pressure is 115 kilopascals into change in volume is again 400 minus 200 into 10 to the power minus 6. So on solving this, I get the work done during ADB as 31 joules. Now substituting these both values from 1 and 2 to this equation, that is Q during the path ACB is given as 50 calorie. Now this 50 calorie when converted into joules is 15 to 4.2 because 1 calorie is equals to 4.2 joules. So this is the heat that is supplied to the system minus work done. Now work done is 10 joules during the path ACB, that is equals to the Q during the path ADB that we have to calculate minus work done over here, that is 31 during the path ADB. So on solving this, I get the value of Q as 231 joules. When I convert it into calories, that is 231 by 4.2, that is 55 calories. That is the answer.